Get access to over 300 million ad-free tracks with a YouTube Music Premium membership. As a Music Premium member, enjoy personalized mixes just for you, playlists to fit your every mood, chart toppers from around the world, and more. All your favorite music without ads on the go. On top of an ad-free music experience on YouTube, a Music Premium membership gives you access to several features that amplify your listening experience. Download music offline to listen on the go or play in the background for an uninterrupted listening experience in the YouTube Music app. Switch to audio-only mode to listen without loading a video. Perfect for saving data or when connectivity is low. You'll also get access to features like Ask Music, which lets you turn your thoughts into the perfect mix by simply describing what you want to hear. Note that YouTube Music Premium members may still experience ads embedded in the content like podcasts or promotional links, banners, and other features if turned on by the content creator. To learn more about the benefits that come with your YouTube Music Premium membership, check out the articles in the description. Thanks for watching.